1.0. 1.0 plane? We're taking a trip to New York City. And the time is about 20 minutes. Because we're in the paper. Is it this way or this way? Or this way? Okay, it's this way. Megan, it's dark. Whoa, let's get out of here, Doofy. That's the creepy one. Let's go this way. Let's land the plane then. Oh my gosh. Ouch. I heard it. Ow! Doofy hurt his butt. Oh. Okay. It's kind of weird. I know. That's kind of weird. Bye, everybody.